In this video, I'm going to share how to build AI sales agents for the real estate industry. We are going to drive prospects into action with AI questions and qualify them automatically. By the end of this demo, you'll have a fully functional AI agent that captures buyer and seller leads, qualify them based on their budget and timeline, all using MagicBlocks. Let's dive in. The fastest way to get an AI agent up and running is using our Quick Agent Setup. So if you go to magicblocks.ai, you can drop in your URL right here, your website, and you can click Create My AI Agent Free. Or if you already have your own MagicBlocks account, you can go to MagicBlocks, your MagicBlocks dashboard, and then click on Agents. And then you can click Create New, and then you can select Quick Agent Setup. Before I go further, I'll show you that you can also create it from scratch. And in here, you can select either messaging AI agent, like an SMS AI agent, or website chat AI agent. So today we're going to build a website chat AI agent. Right, so if you click the Quick Agent Setup, you can drop your URL here. And then you can select the agent type. So this is going to be the template for your AI agent. Many different industries, like 20 different industries. And you can select one of them, like this one is like mortgage. We're going to do the example of real estate today. So we select real estate specialized agent. And then you can click create your AI agent right here. What it will do, in just a couple of minutes, MagicBlocks will build your agent with preloaded sales journey optimized for real estate. We're going to set persona and tone of voice automatically as well. It's going to build built-in key facts for qualification, and I'll also going to show you what they are. And also like pulling all the knowledge base from your website. After a couple of minutes, this is how your agent's going to look like. As you can see here, the AI agent already being proactive and asking me the question first. Her name is Sophie, by the way. All right, let's answer Sophie's questions. Are you looking to buy or rent? Buy. Sophie is offering me several services. Personalized payments. Remetry. The suburbs on hills in Australia, by the way. Just continue to ask me more information about what I want in a property. Yes. And then it started to ask me about my budget. This is where the AI agent started to qualify the leads. And then I said 1 million. And then it asked me about like my timeline, a month. And then now the agent is start collecting the leads, right? Like my name and all my details. Yeah, it's just continue to ask for my email and phone numbers. Yeah, so all good. He captured all my information, and yeah, I can just end chat here. So if we go see on the left side, we can see all the settings that basically has created the flow as we see just now. Your persona defines how your AI sounds, its voice, tone, and personality. You can edit them here. And then basically you can edit this to match your brand voice, basically. Next, we can click on key facts. So key facts are essentially information your agents collects during conversations. So from real estate, as you can see here, we can collect their name, we can collect their budget, the property they're looking for. If you're not interested to collect one of these, you can remove, or if you want to add, you can click create new here. So if we see one of them, for example, this one here, you can this is the part where your agent asks, like, do you want to buy or rent, and you the agent can ask directly, or the agent can listen to the conversation as a whole when the prospects say the word buy or sell or rent. So this is all the values that comes with it. Now click on guardrails. So guardrails are the rules to keep your AI focused and compliant. For real estate, we've set guardrails like do not make estimates on pricing or financial data, do not provide property valuation or investment advice. You can also add your new rule here and then write your own rule, right? And then click save. Yeah, so this will ensure your agent to stay professional and compliant, which is critical for real estate where regulations matter. Now let's look at the journey right here to see how the conversation flow actually works. So right now the journey is using our HAPPA sales framework, the sales framework that has successfully bring us $200 million in leads. And as you can see, it's hook here, and every block, this is what we call block, and every block has basically jobs to do. This is the AI prompts, the objective, like the guidelines, what we want AI to do right here. Like for example, hook is to capture attention, align. We will start aligning with the potential customer, you know, like what do they want, what's their objective in here, and then we will personalize. We want to personalize the pitch. That's why we ask more information and questions. So every block has we assign key fact for each block, and how we move the journey from one block to another is through action. So the dynamic journey engine chooses the best next move based on what the prospects say and the key facts selected. If we see the condition here at the line, for example, we can see the action and then condition. So if the key facts selected that the user wants more info, then we go to the next block in the journey. And for example, here, if all the informations are collected, then we go to the pitch block. So basically, this will ensure that MagicBlocks agents don't hallucinate. We reach over 97% of reliability rate, and they never hallucinate, they never forget a step. And oh yeah, I actually missed the brain part. So if we go to brain, this is where all the knowledge about your company is stored and collected while we generated the agent in the beginning. We collect two types of knowledge, sales playbook knowledge, the general knowledge, and also the priority knowledge right here. So if we, for example, look into the general knowledge collection, we can click here. And this is just all the knowledge information, like around 50 of them automatically generated from your website. If we click one of them, so this is just like Q&A type. And every time you upload a file, actually you can turn the file, like, I don't know, like pricing or any database CSV file type table. You can upload it and then you can turn it into Q&A. And you can also not only choose a file from your own computer, but you can also get it from Google Drive. All right, once your agent qualifies a lead, you need to get that data into your CRM. So if we click lead transfer right here, you can set this up. So if the goal has achieved, for example, whether lead capture or meeting booked, whatever needed here, you want to send it to yourself or your sales team, you can do it through email, or you can connect your HighLevel CRM, Hubspot, or you can connect through Webhook via Zapier to any kind of CRMs. You can also change here if you want that any session and you want to get the information as well, you can put it here. But we also collected the leads natively in MagicBlocks through, if we click leads right here, you will find the leads information in here. So this will be very useful for your other, for a campaign, for other channels as well in the future. Okay, we can go ahead to design and go live. So this is basically if you want to change the appearance of your chat, AI chat. And here you can like change the color, for example, and or you want to go deeper, you can customize, you can add a logo. You can change any style here and make your AI agent on brand. And then to go live, you simply select whether it's standard or sidebar view, and then you can simply click copy right here, and you can go to your website builder. If you use WordPress, HighLevel, anything, you can basically paste the code in the head before the closing head tag on your website. That's it. Hope it's clear. If you want, you can go to magicblocks.ai to check more information, check the pricing. We actually have a free version that will give you 200 messages included, so you can get started immediately and test it. Thank you.